Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make vertical video to horizontal in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just go to your CapCut application, then simply tap on this new project and just select your video. As you can see, we have just selected this video and it's a vertical video. Now go to the bottom of the CapCut and you have to select aspect ratio. Tap on this aspect ratio and select this 16 by 9. Click on this tick and select the video in your timeline. Scroll along until you see the option for duplicate. Here it is. Just simply tap on this duplicate. Then select the second video and tap on overlay. Now click and hold on the video and drag it right to the start like this. Make sure it starts at the same time. Then press the back button in the bottom left. Scroll these effects here and tap on background here. Click on this blur. Choose the blur level you want. Then tap on this check button and then press back at the bottom. Click on this drop icon and you can go and resize your video now like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make vertical video to landscape in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.